Sweet peas. We have two types of sweet peas here. He planted this in a March, and today is first week of June. So, how long we wait that before we harvest?
3 months.
So in 3 months you can have that one. So you have to actually I bought this in the shop, and I will write the description this type of piece because yeah, I have two here. Yeah. So how you cook that then?
You pop them in boiling salted water.
Salted. So the piece create a lot of every vegetable here. So piece in a pot, of course we could not follow the space. Like if you have a big garden, you have to give 6 inches distance at least, but this one you could not do that because it's just only in a pot basically. Shall I try?
Okay, nice. Fresh.
Try. I can have one. So sweet. Now this one as well, it was different variety as well. I have one big here, but this one you can eat like that with the skin. Sorry, it's full down. As again, I did not follow the space simply because just using the pot. Just eat like this.
You have to cook.
Well, this I added this in the noodles with the skin, just like that. Young, but I can add into the noodles. But yeah, so it's simple way how to plant. It's as long as you're doing that. I have seed here, it's dry, I bought from shop, so I have to buy right here. I can write in the description. This one is here, and the other one is whoop. So these two type of seed as that one and this one, I can plant in one time. You're doing that while I am doing work here, yeah. Of course we need a soil. I have ready here, this is a pot. Add a little bit of soil. Of course the pots we have very easy, not hard. Did you finish all your work? I said still more there. Check all and check it all. So wait to me. So do like that. It's not hard. No, wait for me a bit. And water them. So if you see it's dry, put them a water. They need water, like this one, they need a water. It's dry, especially it's came out like that. You need a water. So let's see. So that is now.
Yeah. Lovely peas.
And that's
Fresh.
it. Yeah. You could not eat the skin. This one is still not crunchy.
No, you don't eat the skin.
It's hard. There's a there's a stuck in there. So let's see that later, yeah?
Yeah.
some more there. So that's how we have to pa. See, you could not eat because the stalk is hard. Not like this. You can really eat even it's hard. It's still crunchy the skin. See, this is crunchy, and this is not. So this one you can eat it. You see this here.